Hi, good day, M6234. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Sarifa Kimbao, married, 45 years old, married. I have one kid, 24 years old, graduate high school. I have experience in Saudi Arabia, 7 years, all around. And also, I'm taking care of baby
Okay,
for 7 years.
for 7 years. You are the one who took
Thank
care
you.
of the baby. So this 4 years old here is when you go in the in Saudi. It was a baby, right? So you took care of them,
Yes,
which is the seven children
yes,
from baby until 4 years old and 5 years old until 12 years old
yes,
twins,
yes,
right? You are the one who took care of them. And
yes.
other household chores that you do.
No,
Uh, you don't have any household chores that you do, like general cleaning,
cleaning, yes. Cleaning,
cleaning,
cooking,
cooking, and
and care babies.
okay, care babies. So since I saw that you have experience taking care of a baby, which is the 4 years old now, so it is okay to you to take care of a baby, right?
Yes, liquid
Okay,
milk.
and you know how to prepare a milk for a baby.
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will go and check, and I will check if sick or no. And then I will change pampers, diaper.
Okay.
Uh,
And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, like you check the temperature, you change the diaper, and the baby is still crying, what will you do?
I will call my sponsor. Then I say the baby is not stop crying.
Okay, you will call the employer.
Yeah,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because I need financial for my families
So
and
for your
school.
families.
Yeah.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years until my sponsor needs me.
So if your employer wants you to extend your contract, it is okay with you, right?
It's okay.
Okay, by the way, your religion,
Muslim.
you are Muslim.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No. But I will learn.
You are willing to learn.
Yes.
Okay, and how will you learn?
I will show the YouTube, or I will read the book for cooking for Chinese.
So it is okay to you to learn how to cook Chinese food by watching YouTube and also reading some recipe books. And
Yes.
also you could ask your madam and sir if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If your employer preferred some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Only pork.
It is okay to you to eat food that they provide, but except
Except pork.
pork, right?
Yes.
Because you are Muslim.
Yes.
Okay. How about it is okay to you to share job with a helper? It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
To work on Sunday or in a holiday setup? It is okay with you?
It's okay.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
It is okay with you?
It's okay.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, I will.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. I hope you select me because I will do my best. So,
You will do
thank
your...
you.
Can you promise also to take good care of your children
I will
as your
take care
own?
of babies.
Okay.
On their own.
And also, can you follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Sarifa. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.